Hello, we send you holiday greetings from Austria. As you can see, no white Christmas here, but it's important for us to share some holiday tips with you. Adrian, what is a tip that you can give to the people who feel very stressed before the holiday season?
Well, this is a time to unwind and slow down a little bit. You don't have to do everything to please everyone. And when you are surrounded by the people who matter most to you, remember that being present and giving your undivided attention are far more important than any possible material gift that you can give. And one last thing, don't feel guilty for taking a break. Rest is not laziness. Rest is necessary. So what are your thoughts, Karin? What piece of advice do you give our listeners?
Yeah, I think you already gave the greatest tip. Don't feel guilty for taking a break. One thing that I would like to add maybe is drop perfectionism. We work with so many people. We have not yet found the perfect human being. So I think it tremendously helps to stop thinking that everything has to be perfect throughout the holidays. Just enjoy time, like Adrian said, with the people you love, and this will give fewer arguments and inner peace, and I think that's what we are all looking for. Now, this was our thought for today, and we will see you one more time next week, the last time for this year again. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best.